Hello viewers, today we are going to look at how someone can activate or deactivate outputs connected on the fire alarm system. Simply, I mean all machines which are connected through the control modules, or sounders, flashers. You have different machines which are connected through the control modules, the CAM modules. If you check, that is our CAM module. Yeah. So we have a variety of them. We may have even the power system, that is the evacuation system with speakers. It is also connected through control modules. So someone can activate them manually without making a fire alarm system, without triggering a fire alarm system. Before we proceed, I urge everyone to like my video and also subscribe to this channel. That is very good. So today we are going to see how to activate a control module. Let me show you one control module. This is a control module. The white one you can see. It is already off condition. That one is controlling an access door. So we are going to see how to activate it. Yeah, here with the simplex 4100, activating it may mean arm on, and deactivating, it refers to disarm off. I think you can see these buttons. We have arm on, disarm off, and auto. These are the three buttons which we are going to use. But before we proceed with this one, we should know that all of these actions can be applied when the panel is logged in access level 3. At access level 1, you cannot perform these actions. So we have to first log in. You press the menu button, change access, you press the enter key. The access level 3, you log in. Let's say 1, then you press our password is 333. You press 33. That is our password. So you press enter. You can see access granted. Current access level is level 3. So now we can continue. The address number for that control module, for the control module which controls the access door, is loop 109. Let me put in this address. It is loop 1, which is M1 109. I think you can see then you press enter. It is showing loop 1 M3. This is the M3 node 3. This is its panel. This is the panel. M3 loop 109. Ground floor, access door, electrical room. This is the one which you want to arm on. So you press arm on. Arm on, enter. In fact, it can even show you Press enter to force it on. Yeah, let me show you the picture. Now it is going to turn on. I think you can see it has turned on. It is now red. See, it is already red. In fact, it is also showing here. So you can put it in auto, enter. If you want to switch it off, you are going to press disarm off. It has gone off. Now put it in auto. The reason why we put it in auto, it has to be always in auto, because when it is in auto, in the case of any other conditions, like if there is fire, yeah, it will trigger all the outputs to go on. And if this one is not in auto, it will not go on. That's why we must always leave it in auto. That's all what we do. I urge everyone to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.